welcome to my channel. I am glad to have you guys here. So if this is your first time of seeing my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button before you leave. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make a luxurious glowing butter for the Harmattan season. Now, if this sounds like something you might be interested in, then I want you to keep on watching. Now, before we start, we'll need a glass beaker, a precision scale, Kojic Dip powder, arrowroot powder. We also need some waxes to help increase the melting point of this butter, and what I have here basically is just cetyl alcohol and silky wax. We also need cocoa butter for this formulation, mango butter. Now this is my oil mix, and what I have here is just turmeric oil and apricot kernel seed oil, sunflower oil, AHA oil, lavender essential oil, tocopherol, which is my vitamin E oil, ozone oil, which is my penetration enhancer. Now this is my mica pigment, which is going to be serving as the coloring in this formulation, a spatula, a bowl. So lastly, we need a hand mixer for this formulation to help mix up everything. So guys, welcome to my workstation. In a clean beaker, I am going to be measuring out my sunflower oil to it. Next, I'm going to be adding in my cetyl alcohol and my silky wax into the oil. Next up is my Kojic Dip powder. Now, Kojic Dip is a very powerful active. It helps to repair the skin, it helps to fade scars, it helps to fade stretch marks. So believe me when I say Kojic Dip is a very powerful active, and you sure don't want to mix it in your body butter. Next, I'm going to be adding in my cocoa butter into the mixture. Now, I don't like melting my butters, but since the cocoa butter is a hard one, I have no choice but to melt it down. So I am just going to be melting this guy right here using the double boiling method to melt it, and I will be right back. Alright, so guys, this is what my melted cocoa butter, Kojic Dip and waxes are looking like. Now I am going to be adding in my mango butter to the mixture, and I'm going to be allowing the heat from what I have in my beaker to fully dissolve the mango butter. So I'm just going to be stirring this up till everything is fully dissolved. Like I said earlier, I do not like melting butters. This is to help preserve the natural nutrients of the butter, but you can also melt your butter, it is fine. I'm just saying, for me, I do not like melting my butters. So next, I'm going to be adding in my oil mix, and what I have here is just turmeric oil and apricot seed oil, and I'm just going to be mixing this up. So next I'm going to be adding in my arrowroot powder. Now arrowroot powder is going to help thicken the product, it's going to help repair the skin, it's going to help treat rashes and those skin defects we have. It's also going to help prevent greasiness on the skin, as we know what we are making is basically oils and butters. So to help prevent that greasy feeling on the skin, we need to add in arrowroot powder, or you can also add in cornstarch powder. So guys, I will be transferring the mixture into a bigger bowl because I need space to mix it up properly. So I'm just going to allow this guy here fully solidify, and I will bring it right back. So guys, this is what the butter is looking like at the moment. It has solidified a bit, and I must say I love the color. I know the bulk of the color came in from the turmeric oil. So I am just going to be using my hand mixer to whisk this up to help loosen the butter. So guys, it is time to add in the cool down face ingredients, and I am going in with my ozone oil, my AHA fruit acid oil, and my tocopherol, which is my vitamin E oil. Now the tocopherol is going to help increase the shelf life of this product, and also my ozone oil is the penetration enhancer, and I'm just going to be mixing everything up. So guys, I noticed that I lost the viscosity of the butter. The butter became running after adding in the oil, but not to worry, I am going to be adding it. I'm going to be putting it back into the refrigerator when I am done. So I'm going to be adding in my mica pigment, which I mixed with my lavender essential oil. So one mistake I made was not adding in my pigment when I had that clear oil before adding it in my refrigerator. That is what I meant. So that was the mistake I made, and I'm not sure it is going to give me the color I want, but I'm just going to test it out. So guys, I could not get the viscosity of the butter back to what it was before. Look how runny my poor butter is, but I'm still going to put it in the refrigerator when I'm done. Now look at the viscosity of this butter. It has solidified and it is looking so thick and yummy. So I'm just going to whisk this up a bit before scooping into my container. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post, and also do not forget to tell me what you feel about this video in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one.